wanted me, I guess they wanted me to lead the whole thing, but I don't even know where I'm at right now, so we're gonna have this guy lead and I'll be right behind him. So we're gonna do it like that. We'll call it good.
Ferry on the Bolivar Peninsula. We stopped at the beach a little further down, got to get some good video, good pictures, and now we're gonna see what it's like over there. I've never been on a ferry before, so we'll see how it goes. over here. The ferry needs, what did he say? I think he said that
It'll take about 45 minutes.
It'll take about 45 minutes. We're not gonna get on this one, but the next one. And so we're gonna do a quick bathroom break and then talk with some people, and then we'll be on our way. You think you can spot the Suburban from here?
Hardly.
No, I can't see it.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd probably break my ankle. So we're on the other end now, and once the ramp comes down, we're gonna start it up and we're gonna get off this thing. I've never been on one before. This was an experience for sure. You can like go to the top, you can check out all the water, all the vehicles from up ahead. It's a lot of fun. It's really cool. I mean, we had to wait like 2 hours, but I don't know, it's an experience. We're having a good time, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I'll catch you guys once we're rolling again. And we're off. what better way to end a cruise than to be sitting by the beach, relaxing, eating some food. That's gonna conclude this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.